Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's me, Grace. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my current skincare routine. Grabe guys, as in parang sobrang tagal na since I last sat down, talk to you guys about my current skincare routine. Sobrang dami nang nadagdag, nabawas, na-try and all. Merong hindi tumagal, pero ito yung mga products na currently ginagamit ko and I've been using for almost a month now and masasabi ko na really effective and marirecommend ko na matry out ninyo. So first off guys is that gusto ko muna i-share sa inyo kung ano yung current skincare problems ko or skincare concerns ko. So dati, kung matagal na kayong subscriber dito sa channel ko, you would know na I used to have a lot of pimples and sobrang dami ko talagang ginamit na skincare products para matanggal yung to prevent as well as to remove yung acne marks sa face ko. Pero all throughout that journey, yung pagtanggal ng acne sa face ko is that never ako nag-try ng rejuvenating sets. As in, never talaga. Kahit na yung iba sabihin nila na mild rejuvenating sets sila, is that never ako nag-try because I know na it can be very harmful to my skin, especially in the long run. Hindi naman kinakailangan ng visible peeling ng face ko para masabi na yung product is effective. Kaya naman, ako guys, is that I make sure na yung ginagamit ko sa aking face is that mild yet effective for my skin. So, kaya naman, ito nga, yung mga share ko sa inyo is yung aking tinatawag na Power Glow routine. So, currently guys, ang ginagamit ko is itong Power Glow line from Luxe Organix. So, ito yung ang ginagamit ko for morning and evening, plus meron akong sunscreen din, ipapakita sa inyo in a bit. So, umpisahan natin dito sa Power Glow Starter Kit na tinatawag ni Luxe Organix. So, if you are on a budget and naghahanap ka ng skincare product na kompleto na, which is pang cleanse, tone, and moisturize, I highly recommend you guys try out itong starter kit nila. For only 499 pesos is that meron ka ng cleanser, toner, tapos itong gel cream. Dahil gusto ko na mas maging effective yung Power Glow routine product sa aking face is that bumili din ako nitong serum kit nila, which is yung kanilang Power Glow Serum na meron din kasamang Miracle Repair Serum. And this is how it looks like. Ito guys, meron din silang bundle nito. And for only 699 pesos is dalawang serum na yung makukuha ninyo. Also guys, for morning, ang ginagamit ko is also from Luxe Organix. And this is the Luxe Organix SPF 50 PA+++ UVA and UVB protection sunscreen, and ito yung itsura niya. I cannot stress enough how much or kung gaano ka-importante ang paggamit ng sunscreen guys. So ito, sunscreen meron din ako for AM use, which is retail for 349 pesos.
How my bare face looks like, and as you can see, no more dark spots, as well as my face looks more healthy dun sa ating before photo. So ngayon, tapos na akong gumamit nitong cleanser sa face ko. Ngayon naman is I'm going to proceed with using my essence toner. And what I like to do is just spray it directly on my face. Si Power Glow. Then, size amount, ayan, ganyan.
Aking target ngayon is that magkaroon ng healthy, radiant, glowing skin. Is makikita ninyo is that meron akong enlarged pores. So let's start with their cleanser. This is the Luxe Organix Power Glow Creamy Whip Cleanser. So, ayan. This is part of their Power Glow Starter Kit. Itong Power Glow line pala ni Luxe Organix is may dalawang key ingredients, which is si Vitamin C, saka si galactomyces. So, ano ba yung ginagawa nitong dalawang key ingredients na to? Itong si galactomyces, nakakatulong siya mag-unclog ng pores. So, if you have blackheads, whiteheads, ayan, is that ina-unclog niya yung pores nyo and it makes your pores less visible. Also guys, nakaka-revitalize siya ng skin. Plus, nakaka-promote din or nakaka-decrease din ng skin aging. And as we all know guys, si Vitamin C, isa siyang powerful antioxidant. So, nakakatulong siya i-free yung ating skin from UV exposure. Tulong siya na mag-protect ng skin from skin radicals as well as damage from skin exposure. Tapos, nakakatulong siya with hyperpigmentation, dull skin. Kaya naman, kapag pinagsama mo yung dalawang key ingredients na yun, is that definitely you will have a healthy, radiant, glowing skin. I have tried cleansers na kapag katapos mo siyang gamitin, is that feeling mo sobrang na-strip off yung face mo with moisture. Pero with the Power Glow Creamy Whip Cleanser, is that hindi siya drying. It leaves parang a very thin layer of moisture on your skin, or like parang hindi niya dinadry out yung skin mo, which is really nice. Kasi it means it's really mild on the face. So, next item naman guys is the Luxe Organix Power Glow Essence Toner. And sa Power Glow line nila guys is that ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi tingnan nyo, ang cute-cute niya. Tapos, Essence Toner siya guys. So, again, unlike other toners na kapag ginamit nyo, is that feeling nyo na strip off na yung moisture sa face nyo. Tapos, ang gusto ko dito is the spray siya. Tapos, tingnan nyo kung gaano kapino yung spray niya. Diba? Halos hindi nyo nakita. Sobrang pino ng spray niya. Tapos, ang gusto ko dito is that ini-spray ko lang siya. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng cotton. Of course, depende sa inyo. Tapos, pinapat ko siya kapag nagmamadali ako. Pero usually, is that I let it air dry. It definitely helped me achieve that power, brighter looking skin. So, ayan o. Mauubos na siya. Sobrang favorite ko siya. And sobrang bango niya, guys. Amoy rose siya. Or florally yung scent niya. So, there. Ayan siya. Next up naman is itong serums. As I have said earlier, bundle ko siyang nakuha or nabili from Watsons. So, for 599 pesos, you get 2 serums. And guys, itong dalawang to is definitely a powerful duo. Kasi nagsama nyo is that makakatulong din siya talaga with your dull, dry skin. Especially niacinamide guys, alam niyo naman yan. And especially if you have a lot of dark spots, definitely yung itong niacinamide serum na to will help you. So, ayan siya. This is their Power Glow Gel Cream. Ang pinakagusto ko dito guys is that it's very lightweight. It's very moisturizing on the skin, pero kapag nilagay mo siya sa face mo, is that sobrang light niya and halos parang wala kang nilagay sa skin mo. Tapos kahit pea-size amount lang, i-dot-dot mo lang siya sa face mo, is that sobrang moisturizing niya sa mukha. So, ayan siya. Hindi siya mabigat sa face. So, kahit siguro summer, is that magagamit ko to. Plus, madali siyang ma-absorb ng skin. And next item naman na ginagamit ko in the morning is the Luxe Organix Daily Sunscreen. Ito yung itsura niya. Definitely, guys, is like one of the best sunscreens na nagamit ko ever. When it comes to sunscreens, ayoko talaga ng sticky, as well as mararamdaman mo na meron kang suot-suot na product sa face mo. Usually, or most of the sunscreens available here in the Philippines, ganun siya. And with this one, alam nyo, 349 pesos lang to. Pero ang napansin ko sa kanya is that sobrang bilis siyang ma-absorb ng skin. Plus, hindi siya malakit, hindi siya mabigat sa face. Kaya naman gustong-gusto ko siyang ginagamit. And kahit na makailang layer ka sa skin mo, is that lightweight siya, hindi siya malakit, and wala siyang nabibigay na white cast. Especially if gagamitin niyo siya under makeup. You don't really have to worry kung may flashback siya. Kasi, ayun na, wala siyang white cast. Plus, ang maganda dito guys is actually all of the items are alcohol and paraben free. Definitely guys, kung gusto nyo mag-start with the Power Glow line ni Luxe Organix, is that you can start with their starter kit Tapos, kung gusto nyo ma-maximize yung glowing effect niya on your face, is that definitely I recommend na dagdagan nyo ng serums yung skincare routine nyo. Kasi mas mabilis nyo talaga makikita yung effect sa skin ninyo. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this review. And I hope now you find this review helpful. If you like this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!